Welcome to Hamza Electronics, where we electrify your world with the latest in technology. Today, we're exploring the unsung hero of every office, the photocopy machine. Join me as we unravel the fascinating features, delve into its functionality, and uncover tips to maximize efficiency. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a business professional, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of photocopying. Let's dive right in.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Hamza Electronics.
Did you know that every second over 45,000 pages are copied worldwide on photocopy machines? That's nearly 4 billion pages a day. Unbelievable, isn't it? Now let's dive into the fascinating world of photocopy machines and learn how these incredible devices operate. Photocopy machines, also known as copiers or photocopiers, are devices that make quick and efficient duplicate copies of documents or images. The brainchild of Chester Carlson, these machines have seen a dramatic evolution since their inception, with significant advancements in technology, functionality, and speed. Now, onto the operation of a photocopy machine. It begins by switching on the machine using the power button. Next, open the lid or document feeder and place the document to be copied on the glass or in the feeder. Following this, adjust settings such as paper size, orientation, darkness, and the number of copies. Then press the copy button to start the copying process. Lastly, once the copies are made, they can be collected from the output tray. Photocopy machines find their use in a myriad of applications. They are extensively used in offices for duplicating documents, reports, and forms. Educational institutions utilize them for creating study materials, handouts, and exams. They are also essential in legal documentation, such as duplicating legal documents, contracts, and agreements. Healthcare units use them to copy patient records, prescriptions, and medical reports. Moreover, businesses use copiers for a variety of printing needs, from flyers and brochures to invoices and marketing materials. Modern photocopiers come packed with advanced features. Duplex printing enables printing on both sides of the paper. Network connectivity allows multiple users to access the machine. The scan and send feature can scan documents and send them via email or to a network folder. There are also customization settings for resizing, sorting, stapling, and binding. Maintaining a photocopy machine also requires attention. Regular tasks such as cleaning the glass, removing paper jams, replacing the toner, and servicing by professionals at recommended intervals all contribute to the machine's longevity and optimal performance. In conclusion, photocopy machines, with their swift and accurate duplication capabilities, have become an indispensable tool in various sectors. Grasping their operations and applications can significantly boost productivity in both professional and educational environments. And that wraps up our journey through the realm of photocopy machines. If you're thirsting for more detailed information or have specific queries, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. See you in your new video.